All right, what is up, Harmony Science Academy students? We're going to be looking at multiplying radicals. Again, this is for the HB5 college readiness course, or pretty much your college course, okay? You don't want to take it in college, let's get it mastered here. So we're going to multiply radicals. This is a skill you got to have, okay? Some of you guys already have it, and some of you guys are going to equip yourselves with it, okay? So anyways, I have these two expressions, right? We're going to multiply them. They involve radicals. So multiplying radicals. This is very easy. Pay attention. So the values out here on the outside, okay, can be combined, and the values on the inside can be combined. Remember, with adding, you can't do that, but with multiplying, it's a little different, okay? So watch. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Okay? And then 2 times 3 is square root of 6. Okay? Now that's the first thing that we do. All right. And after this initial first step, okay, where you carry out the multiplication, we're going to investigate a little further the value inside the radical. Okay, so we're going to focus on this 6. And like in the past, we're going to break it down to its prime factors. Okay. And rewrite it. 2 times 3. Now, as you guys remember in the past, if there's pairs, they come out. If there's no pairs, you leave as is, and you recombine, okay? So let's go ahead and just put it together. Now, if it seems kind of like an unnecessary step, in this case it was, but, okay, this process is going to help you with other scenarios where there is pairs, okay? And let's look at that in this case, all right? So here we have 5 square root of 10 times negative 3 square root of 10. So real simple, this is the fun part, right? It's 5 times negative 3, negative 15, okay? That was on the outside, it stays on the outside, right? Now on the inside, we have 10 times 10, which is 100, okay? Now, of course, some of you guys are real smart. You're going to figure out other ways a lot faster. But you're going to use this method that I'm showing here to teach it to somebody who might be struggling, okay? So once you go ahead and carry out the multiplication, you've got to simplify. And this is important in case there's multiple choice questions and you don't find a match, okay? So like before, what we've done, we would look a little closer at the value in the radical, okay, which is 100. Okay, and just like before, you break it down, right, to its prime factors. Okay, we've done this before, that's why I'm using it, so it's not something new, okay? Whoops. Alright, so now I'm gonna, right, like always, whatever's outside stays outside, don't touch it, don't mess with it. Inside, we write all the prime factors from smallest to greatest, right? So there's a 2, 2, 5, 5, okay? Here's a pair, and here's a pair. So I'm going to kick out the 2, I'm going to kick out the 5, and there's nothing left in the radical, okay? There's just nothing left. Technically, there's a 1, so we'll put that there, okay? So anyways, negative 15 times 2 is negative 30, times 5 is negative 150. Okay, you multiply these. And the square root of 1 is 1, so when you multiply 1 times anything, it's itself. So it stays like that, okay? Now, again, there's going to be certain differences per problem, but if you do the same process every time, you're going to be able to do all of these problems, okay? All right, guys, hopefully that helps, and we'll get some practice in class, okay? Talk to you then.